Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the products that I use on my skin for the type of skin that I have, and some tips and tricks on what to do and what not to do to make sure you have clear skin and everything goes smoothly, because without clear skin, there's no way your makeup is going to come out good. So to make sure your makeup comes out good, I'm going to share with you some of the skin secrets that I have. So before we start, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. So let's get right into it. So firstly, I'm going to tell you guys what moisturizers and sunscreens that I use. So after I wash my face in the morning, I go in with the Neutrogena Visibly Even Daily Moisturizer. This is a moisturizer, but it also contains SPF 30, which is really good because if you have dark spots, you want to make sure that even if you don't have dark spots, you want to make sure that you use a sunscreen on your face, because the sunscreen is not only helping to keep your skin young and nice, but it also helps with the dark spots, because if you have dark spots, going out in the sun without sunscreen, it makes the dark spots even darker and harder to fade away. So using a sunscreen helps the dark spots fade away, and it helps to prevent new ones. I used to use this moisturizer. It's the Vaseline Intensive Care Dry Skin Repair. In the winter, when it's really cold outside, my skin is really dry, so I use this on it, and it makes my skin feel really good and soft, and it stays like that throughout the whole day. So with this, a little does go a long way because it's Vaseline, so you don't want to put a lot because then you'll get oily, but it is really good. So now we're going to move on to skincare. So for my face washes, I have two main face washes that I use. I use this in the morning and this at night, but sometimes I do use both of them at night, and I'll tell you why. This one that I use in the morning is the Clean and Clear Essentials Foaming Facial Cleanser. This is the first step, and it does say oil free here, which is very important, because if you have oily skin, you don't want to use something on your skin that has oils in it. So this is the one that I use in the morning, and it really helps to wake the skin up, clean it if it wasn't clean enough from the previous night, if you had makeup left over. So this one really helps. It says washes away problem causing dirt, oil, and makeup without over drying. So even if it says it's not over drying on the bottle, you still have to put on a moisturizer before you go to sleep, because the oils on your skin, some may be good, some may be bad. But if you wash away all the oils, you want to make sure you at least moisturize so your skin isn't too dry. This one I use at night. It really helps to clean the skin of any makeup you had, because it does have a minty kind of freshness to it. So if your skin is dirty, not in a bad way, but it is dirty from the day, the dirt outside, makeup if you had makeup on, but as you scrub, it starts off as not minty, and it gets mintier as it gets cleaner. So that's one thing that I make sure to do when I'm washing my face. I make sure that at the end I feel the mintiness. When I am washing my face, I also use this. This is a rubber kind of exfoliator. It's a substitute for one of those brushes that they sell that spin. So this, it's not abrasive, so it doesn't irritate the skin, and it doesn't leave it dry. So it's not like it's scrubbing away at your skin. It's more like you're massaging and taking away any dirt, makeup that you have, anything like that. So if you want, buy one of these. It really helps to clean the skin. Then let's move on to when I said that I sometimes use both of them at the same time. So even when I use both of these, I don't use them mainly to take the makeup off. So what I mean by that is that I don't just go into the bathroom with a full face of makeup and I wash my face. No. I take the makeup off first with a makeup remover. And for my makeup removers, I have 3 different makeup removers. So that depends on what type of makeup I did that day. So if I have a full face of makeup, so that means full beat, foundation, concealer, baking, eyeshadow, eyeliner, all of that stuff, I use this. This is the Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser. It's a moisturizing cleanser. So what you do is it comes as if it's a cream. So you just take a little bit out of it. A little bit does go a long way. So I've had this for about a year maybe, and it still is halfway still full. So what you do with that is you just put it on your cheeks, forehead, and then you massage it into the makeup. It really helps with taking off harsh eyeshadows, eyeliner, stuff like that. And you just leave it on for about 5 minutes, and then you just wipe it away with either, you could wipe it with a makeup remover, or you could also wipe it with tissue. So after you wipe your makeup off, that's when you go and wash it. So on a day when I have a lot of makeup, I use this. And if I don't have a lot of makeup on, I just did a little foundation to go to school. Then I'll take the makeup remover wipes, or I will take the Micellar cleansing water. This also helps with taking off harsh makeups from a full beat. So this is a really good one you could invest in. Why I say that you have to take off your makeup before you go and wash it, because sometimes you could see that even washing your face doesn't take away all of the makeup. So you want to make sure you take away all of your makeup before you go to sleep. That is very important, because that makeup could sit in your skin and create future breakouts, and you don't want that. So you want to make sure you take off all of your makeup, and then you go and you wash it, and then you go to sleep. But you want to moisturize before you go to sleep. So now I'm going to move on to the face mask that I could say is like the god of clear skin. So this is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. I got this for $9.99 plus tax at the beauty supply store. You could also order it online. I think they sell it on Amazon. You could just search it and you buy it wherever. I think they also sell it at Target. So this is a jar fully of powder. So a little bit does go a long way, because you could see, so as you could tell, it's still pretty full even when I've been using it for the past 3 months, because all you really need is you take one little teaspoon or spoon, whatever you need, and you mix it with a little bit of water, and then you put it on your face. I only do this mask once a week, guys. I cannot stress this enough. Don't do this mask more than once a week, because listen, yes, it is doing something good for your skin, but you don't want to do too much and take away what it's doing. You don't want to irritate the skin, because this does dry your skin, and it could leave it a little bit red after you've washed it, because when you put the face mask on and you leave it to dry, it basically is just squeezing your whole face while it is drying. Like, you will feel your skin be so tight that you think it could rip. I promise you, you do not want to do it more than 2 or 3 times a week. On the back it says use it once a week for the family, more often for problem skin. Men love it too. So for the guys, you could use it. This is not a video just for girls. If you're a guy and you want to clear your skin, you could do a face mask. It's not emasculating. It's still cute and manly to keep your skin clear. Okay. So yes, so once a week if you have regular skin with just some minor issues, and more than once a week, but not more than 2 or 3 times a week. So another thing, I don't use a towel to dry my face. To dry my face, I use these little, to dry my face off after I wash it, I use these little towelettes. So you could just use regular napkins from like the roll. It really doesn't matter, but the thing is, using a regular towel, it like, you could drop it on the floor, it picks up bacteria from the floor and dirt. You don't want to put that on your face. And like using it every day, it will build up in like dirt and like bacteria. And so using a towelette or a napkin, you just use one every day and then you throw it out. So you use a new one every day, keeping your skin clean from as if you were using a towel. So that's another cute little tip that I want to share with you. Or you could just let your skin dry naturally and not use a towel or a napkin at all. Either way, it helps out in your benefit. After I wash my face, at the end of the day, I put my moisturizer on, and then for my dark spots, I use the Ambi Fade Cream for the dark spots. This really helps with dark spots. Like if you have hyperpigmentation around your smile lines over here, it really helps to fade that. And for pimples, like if you have a pimple and you want to dry it out, so it will be smaller the next day, the Clean and Clear Persa Gel 10, it really helps with that. You could put it on. It is maximum strength Clear Persa Gel 10% benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is one of the most active ingredients that you will find in any face wash, or it will be prescribed for acne and stuff. Make sure to drink plenty of water. Water is one of the most important things to keep your skin clear, because what you do on the inside could reflect through your skin. So drink lots of water. I drink about 2 of these a day, and I really don't drink any soda at all. Like if I do drink soda, it's like one little cup. I don't like drinking soda because I see what it could do to my skin. I have really, really, really sensitive skin. Like if I eat a peanut butter sandwich today, I will get a pimple tomorrow. Like I promise you, I'm not joking. I'm so serious. So because of that, I take what I eat really seriously. Not like, oh my god, I won't eat this because it's gonna make me break out. But I eat still, but I just don't eat things that I know will make me break out. So yeah. Guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope everything that I said helped you out, and I will leave the link for these products down below just so you can just click and buy, so you don't have to go search for them. You could buy all these products at the local Walgreens or Rite Aid or Target, so they are not hard to find and they are affordable. All of these products are less than $10, I think. So those are all the tips that I have for skincare, and the skincare that I use to get my skin to be the way it is today. So make sure to drink your water, and guys, please be patient because nothing is going to happen in a day. So you do have to be consistent. You have to wash your face, you have to drink your water, you have to eat healthy, you have to watch how much sodas you're drinking, because all of that affects your skin. So slowly, with work and consistency, you will start to see a difference. I really hope my tips could help you guys. Remember that you're still beautiful no matter what. Everybody has insecurities. Everybody has, you know, pimples, stuff like that. So, yes, don't give up. It will happen. You will finally get clear skin. Make sure, if you can get all of the products that I said, try to get the Aztec clay mask. I really, this is the holy grail of clear skin for me. This has helped so much. It helps to fade away the dark spots. It helps to get rid of the acne. Thank you guys for watching the video. I really hope I could help at least one person. Turn on your post notifications, like, comment, and subscribe.